In today's video, we're going to go through the must-use steps to get your LLC ready for tax season before April 15th. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and we're going to talk through a checklist that can help you avoid last-minute stress and make sure your business is actually prepared when tax day arrives. Just as a quick heads up before we get into it, some of the companies we feature in this video, including BIZEE, we do have a relationship with, and we may earn a small referral fee if you choose to use them through our link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it just helps support the channel so we can keep making free content just like this. Just wanted to mention that before we get into the rest of the video. A lot of LLC owners wait until the final weeks before filing and then realize they're missing documents, unsure about deductions, or scrambling to understand deadlines. That pressure can lead to mistakes, missed opportunities, and unnecessary stress. If you formed your LLC using a service like BIZEE, you already took an important step towards organizing your business correctly. But forming the company is just the beginning. Preparing your records for tax season is what keeps everything running smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what to review before April 15th so you can move through tax season with so much more clarity. So let's get into it. Now let's go ahead and talk about the important deadlines for LLC. Okay, now understanding tax deadlines is one of the most important parts of preparing your LLC for tax season. Missing deadlines can result in penalties and additional costs that could have easily been avoided with a little planning. Many single-member LLCs report their business income on their owner's personal tax return. In those situations, the filing deadline usually falls on April 15th. That means the financial activity from your business becomes part of your individual filing. However, some LLCs choose to be taxed differently. Businesses taxed as partnership or S corporations often have earlier deadlines, which means preparation needs to begin early in the year. Knowing which category your business falls into is essential for avoiding late filings and penalties. Next, we're going to talk about organizing your paperwork. One of the biggest steps in preparing for your LLC for tax season is simply organizing your financial documents. Having everything in one place makes the filing process much easier and helps prevent missing important information. Start by gathering records that show income coming into the business. This might include invoices, payment records, bank statements, or other documents that track revenue. These records give a clear picture of how much your business earned during that year. Next, you want to review the business expenses. Expenses such as software tools, marketing costs, office supplies, equipment purchases, and other operational costs may all be relevant when preparing your tax return. Keeping these records organized ensures you have accurate information when filing. Now, we're going to talk about understanding estimated taxes. Many LLC owners are also responsible for paying estimated taxes throughout the year. Because business owners often do not have taxes automatically withheld from their income, they need to make payments directly to the IRS. Estimated taxes are typically paid quarterly and are based on the income you expect to earn during the year. By making these payments consistently, you avoid the situation where a large tax bill appears all at once when filing your return. Staying on top of estimated taxes also helps maintain stable cash flow, so instead of dealing with a single large payment, you distribute your tax responsibilities throughout the year. Okay, now let's talk about some common deductions for LLC owners. So running an LLC allows business owners to deduct legitimate business expenses. These deductions reduce your taxable income and may lower the amount of tax that you actually owe. So common deductions include expenses related to running the business, such as software subscriptions, marketing costs, website hosting, and office supplies. Many entrepreneurs also deduct business-related travel and other operational expenses that directly support the company. The most important role when claiming deduction is documentation. Keeping clear records and receipts ensures your financial reports remain accurate and defensible if questions arise about your filings. Now, working with professionals. So some LLC owners prefer to manage their own financial records and tax filings, while others choose to work with accountants or tax professionals who specialize in small business finances. A professional can review your records, help identify deductions, and ensure that your filings are completed correctly. They may also provide advice about business decisions that affects taxes, such as electing S corporation status or structuring certain purchases. And services like BIZEE help entrepreneurs handle the business information and compliance side of things, while tax professionals focus more on the financial reporting and filing process. We're going to talk about BIZEE in a second, but before that, let's talk about planning for the next year. After completing one tax season, it's really helpful to evaluate what worked well and what could be improved for the following year. Many business owners realize they can simplify the process by organizing their records more consistently throughout the year. For example, reviewing financial records once a month can make a big difference when tax season arrives. When your documents are already organized, filing becomes so much easier and far less stressful. Developing simple financial habits throughout the year also allows you to stay ahead of your business finances instead of reacting to them once tax season arrives. Now that you understand the main things to be prepared for tax season, let's talk about BIZEE. So BIZEE is a service designed to help entrepreneurs start and manage their businesses. Many founders use BIZEE to form their LLC, file the required paperwork with their state, and then keep track of important compliance requirements after the company is created. For many first-time business owners, the formation process can feel a bit confusing. There are documents to file, rules to follow, and deadlines that are vary depending on your state. And BIZEE helps you simplify that entire process by guiding entrepreneurs through steps of creating their LLCs so they can start operating their business legally and correctly. However, even when you use a service like BIZEE to set up your company, you still need to prepare your financial records for tax season. That includes everything we talked about, like organizing your income, tracking your expenses, and making sure you understand the deadlines that apply to your actual business. Now, one of the main reasons entrepreneurs choose BIZEE is because it helps simplify the early stages of starting a business. Instead of navigating state paperwork alone, the service assists with filing formation documents and establishing your LLC structure. This can be especially helpful for new entrepreneurs who want to make sure their business is set up properly from the beginning. Having the correct structure in place makes it easier to open business bank accounts, manage finances, and maintain separation between personal and business activities. If you want to check out BIZEE, we do have a link down in the description below. Okay, so once you click that link, you can go ahead and click that link to start your business. They also have a tax and accounting consult, which is free for 31 days after you choose a plan that fits your needs. So how that would work is you would schedule a consultation, meet with their accountant team, and then streamline your finances. So it can be really, really helpful to have someone who already knows what they're doing when it comes to taxes. So again, that link is down in the description below. Now let's talk about some pros and cons. So preparing your LLC taxes early offers so many benefits. Staying organized just helps prevent penalties, reduce stress, and provides a clear understanding of how your business is performing financially. However, tax preparation does require time and attention, and reviewing records and understanding tax requirements may feel tedious, especially for entrepreneurs who prefer focusing on other parts of the business. That's why some business owners choose to work with professionals or use services that help manage the admin side of running a business. This checklist is useful for LLC owners who want to stay organized and avoid surprises when tax season arrives. Understanding deadlines, deductions, and financial records allows you to manage your business finances with greater confidence. If your business is simple and you feel comfortable managing your own records, this approach may be enough to prepare your taxes each year. If your financial situation becomes more complex, working with professionals and using services like BIZEE are going to help just simplify the whole process. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to figure this stuff out on your own. Taxes can be confusing, especially when you're balancing the responsibilities of running a business at the same time. But if you want to explore services like BIZEE, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. Again, I want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping founders find tools to build smarter and faster without the overwhelm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.